Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli ethemba ukuthi phela-ke mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana nje ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana ungiqaseke ucindezeleke iy'bhathini ze-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala kushaya senti nyama-ke ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje manje-ke udaba luthi lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke abase-Eastern Cape-ke laphana-ke balandela-ke iqembu-ke le-MK-ke baya-complain-a-ke laphana-ke baveza-ke izikhalazo zabo-ke laphana-ke ngokwenziwayo-ke laphana-ke i-MK-ke bathi-ke bona-ke abanakiwe-ke laphana-ke baveza-ke okuningi-ke kodwa-ke ngingafuni-ke mina lokuningi kubo bese ukuzwe ngempela dlala ikliphu-ke umuntu-ke uvela-ke laphana-ke e-Eastern Cape-ke libeka-ke lolu daba ngicela uphangise le video le ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe upho lwakho ukuthi nawe ucabangani-ke ngalolu udaba-ke olubekwe sekwenzekile-ke ungibuze-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini u-subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke kwenza ukwazi phela ukuthi uqhubeke utholeke nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Shumayela into yomkhonto but i-Eastern Cape i-MK ayimuvi. People on the ground bafila ingathi bashiyeke ngemva. People on the ground bafila ingathi i-MK ayibahoyanga bona bese Eastern Cape. Into embi-ke into yoba sizawufika ko-live sivula live kuze i-70 yabantu ifuna ujoyina i-MK bazayijoyina and thereafter kuzawenzeka ntoni? Akukho ziprogram e-Eastern Cape. Bayafuna usebenza, we don't know into yoba mabadibane nobani. Zange sabona kwanto eyenzekayo e-Eastern Cape. They don't feel represented. They don't feel into yoba bahoyile. Mandenza umzekelo into yamabhida i-Eastern Cape ayihoyanga kakhulu into yasemabhida because bathi nizashiya behind. Akho mntu uzawuza kuthi athi okay i-transport azifumaneki okanye ifunane yani imali okanye enzani ngehlobo. So we are feeling left out as Eastern Cape. I-MK asigetyanga or ndizawuthi i-Eastern Cape i-MK ayishiyanga ngemva.